Here's a quick overview of how to use the shape builder tool, which is this little button right here, to merge or to subtract from shapes in Affinity Designer. So right here I'm just setting up a circle and a square, and one of them I'm going to merge and one of them I'm going to subtract from. Here's the shape builder tool down here, but first you're going to have to go to the cursor tool, select the two shapes that you want to affect, and then click on the shape builder tool. After this, there's two buttons up here, there's a plus and minus. If you press the plus button, it will allow you to merge your shapes, and if you press the subtract button, it will allow you to subtract from your shapes. So I've just clicked on the plus button to allow me to merge my shapes. I've clicked and dragged down. So if I come out of that and go back to the cursor, you'll see that the two shapes have been joined and you can move them around together. So just highlighting the other two shapes now, clicking on the shape builder tool and selecting minus. And then I'm going to click on the two parts of the shape that I don't want, and you're left with the semicircle at the top.